You want to learn market research? Well, here's 7 best market research courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Market Research, Complete Marketing Research Course 2022 by Udemy. This course teaches you to gather information about target markets and customers. Topics covered are exploratory market research, competitor analysis, descriptive market research, causal market research, sizing markets and sizing demand, research on how brands grow, customer decision journey, conversion rate optimization, marketing psychology, finding buyers and partners, data and media, service market research, product market research. You will be able to do complete market research. You will learn to stay ahead by doing competitive research. You will learn to collect data and formulate conclusions. You will learn to do customer-related research. You will learn to adopt various research methods. The course is for anyone who wants to learn the tactics of doing market research. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Market Research Introductory Course by Udemy. This course provides you a chance to learn the fundamentals of market research. Topics covered are biosphere, marketing definition, marketing concept, history of marketing practice, history of marketing thought, role and importance, attributes, service, application, types. Part 1, Part 7, data sources and approach, methodologies, intro to process, information need enunciation, research objective definition, research design methodology, sampling and fieldwork plans, analysis planning and output matrices, report structure and contents, addendum. You are going to understand market research. From the basic level, you will learn about various tools used for doing research. You will learn to adopt different methodologies. You will learn to develop research design and implement it fully. You will gain information about the history of market research. The course is for anyone willing to gain the skills of market research. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Market Research to Find and Sell Your Dream Clients by Udemy. This course provides you a step-by-step guide to understand market research. Topics covered are why market research is important, benefits of market research, types of data you'll gather, research mistakes to avoid, research tools, Google Trends, answer the public, social tools, action plan, and reporting. You will understand the necessity of doing market research. You will learn to use various research tools. You will learn to avoid the mistakes done while doing research. You will learn different ways of gathering data. You will learn the most effective ways of doing customer as well as competitive research. The course is for anyone having passion to learn market research. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Market Research Specialization 1 by Coursera. This course will teach you to initiate, design, and implement research in detail. Topics covered are research proposal, initiating research, qualitative research, quantitative research, research report, delivering insights. You will understand market research and identity tools used. You will learn to compose a research proposal. You will learn to analyze the data collected. You will get to know about the opportunities which exist in marketing field. You will be able to do research in a professional manner. The course is for everyone wanting to learn marketing research. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Market Research Specialization 2 by Coursera. This course teaches you the essentials of research and the research process. Topics covered are Introduction to Market Research, Research Methodologies, Research Instruments, and Research Hypothesis, Analysis, and Interpretation of Data. You will learn the fundamentals of market research. You will be able to frame a research proposal. You will learn to collect data according to various approaches. You will learn about various components of research. You will learn the role of digital analytics in market research. The course is for everyone having interest in marketing research. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Strategic Planning and Market Research by Alison, free course. This online free course gives you a chance to learn strategic ways of planning market research. Topics covered are components of strategic planning, organizational objectives, portfolio planning approaches, marketing information systems, problem definition, research design, specifying samples, and form design, data collection and analysis, customer satisfaction and loyalty, customer communities, ethics, laws, and customers' empowerment. You will learn different components of strategic market research. You will understand the need to do market research. You will learn the basic steps of marketing research and their purpose. You will learn about the loyalty of customers. You will learn about the ethics of doing research. The course is for anyone wanting to learn market research and earn a course completion certificate, but can't afford to pay. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about marketing management, click on the I button. 7th Course Market Research by Great Learning, free course. This online free course provides you a chance to learn marketing research, to analyze your target and competition. Topics covered are marketing information, consumer insights, introduction to market research, obstacles, approaches, research instrument, sampling plan, analyzing and using my information. You will gain knowledge about the market. You will learn about the instruments used in research. You will learn to do customer-related research. You will learn various ways of collecting samples. You will learn to point out the research conclusions. The course is for anybody wanting to learn marketing research and earn a certificate for free. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.